Welcome to English Tonight, Spelling Test 2, Farm Animals. For this spelling test, you will need a pen or pencil, paper, and your brain. Spelling test instructions. I will say each of the 10 words 2 times. Write each word on your paper. Then I will say 2 sentences twice. Then we will correct the words and sentences. Spelling test. Ready, set, spell. Number 1, chicken, chicken. 2, sheep, sheep. 3, rabbit, rabbit. 4, goose, goose. 5, duck, duck. 6, turkey, turkey. 7, horse, horse. 8, cow, cow. 9, goat, goat. 10, rooster, rooster. Sentence 1. The sheep has 4 legs. The sheep has 4 legs. Sentence 2. I saw 3 cows at the farm. I saw 3 cows at the farm. Let's correct your spelling test. You might want to use a different colored pen or pencil to correct. 1, chicken, C-H-I-C-K-E-N, chicken. 2, sheep, S-H-E-E-P, sheep. 3, rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. 4, goose, G-O-O-S-E, goose. 5, duck, D-U-C-K, duck. 6, turkey, T-U-R-K-E-Y, turkey. 7, horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. 8, cow, C-O-W, cow. 9, goat, G-O goat. 10, rooster, R-O-O-S-T-E-R, rooster. Sentence 1. The sheep has 4 legs. First word, the, T-H-E. Second word, sheep, S-H-E-E-P. Third word, has, H-A-S. Fourth word, for, F-O-U-R. Fifth word, legs, L-E-G-S. Make sure that you have a capital letter at the beginning of the sentence and a period at the end. The sheep has 4 legs. Sentence 2. I saw 3 cows at the farm. First word, I. Second word, saw, S-A-W. Third word, 3, T-H-R-E-E. Fourth word, cows, C-O-W-S. Fifth word, at, A-T. Sixth word, the, T-H-E. Seventh word, farm, F-A-R-M. Make sure you have a capital at the beginning of the sentence and a period at the end. Thank you. I hope you did a great job on this spelling test. Visit us at english-tonight.com for more lessons and updates.